A lot of books in English class have the reputation for being boring, long, and confusing. Well, if you're reading The Great Gatsby, then you're in luck, because this book is neither of these three things. In fact, a vast majority of high schoolers actually thoroughly enjoy The Great Gatsby. Here are some words to describe The Great Gatsby if you know nothing else about it. It's set in the Roaring Twenties during a great time of societal change in America. During the time of Prohibition, yet there's a lot of drinking and partying going on with the wealthy who have love triangles. If this doesn't get you intrigued about the book, then I don't know what will. In all seriousness, though, Gatsby deals with a lot of themes and questions that, depending on how you interpret the book, has a lot of different answers. For example, it deals with the theme of moving places in society. Are we defined by where we're from? Is the person we grew up as always the person we're going to be? The book deals with living in the past. This is a problem for a lot of the characters. What happens when you're unable to distinguish the past from the present? Does this ruin your life? Like many great American novels, Gatsby deals with having a dream. But it asks the question of what happens when you can't let it go. Possibly the quality that defines Gatsby the most is his ability to love. But does endless love equal nobility or ignorance? Is there a time when we should let go of somebody if we know we can't have them, or should we keep on trying? When you finish Gatsby, think about the title. Why is the book called The Great Gatsby? What makes Gatsby so great? Is this supposed to be an ironic title, or is Fitzgerald trying to tell us something else? And if none of what I've said has intrigued you, at least remember that the Great Gatsby movie is coming out this summer, with Leonardo DiCaprio playing Gatsby. I guarantee you this is one of those movies that you want to read the book first. And I also am willing to bet that even if this movie is awesome, the book is still going to be better.